Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about adventure guide and we'll discuss that how can you earn online or on the Fiverr as an adventure guide. So we will read an article about it to better understand adventure guides. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read out the article. So let's start reading out. What is an adventure guide? An adventure guide is a type of tour guide who takes a group of people out to do recreational and adrenaline-filled activities. In this career, an excursion you lead is usually one that is more exciting and interactive than a typical tour. You may go out on ATVs into the mountains of a foreign country, whitewater raft through the Grand Canyon, or canoe down the Amazon River, leading the way. Creating an exciting recreation environment is only one of the duties of an adventure guide. You must also keep groups safe, keep the trip educational and interactive, and sometimes even cook for your groups. How to become an adventure guide. Adventure travel guides work for many companies and in a variety of areas, so the specifies of how to get a job as an adventure guide varies. Uh, the Adventure Travel and Trade Association is helping to alleviate the confusion by offering field training courses for future guides or for current guides, assistants looking to move into the full-on guide role. A complete understanding of CPR and first aid is necessary for this role, as is a basic understanding of survival techniques in the wild. Some companies may require you to earn a wilderness first responder certification and take water rescue or lifeguard training. What are different types of adventure guides? There are many different types of adventure guides you can choose to become. A few type of guides are tour, adventure guides, wilderness, outdoor, camp, hiking, backpacking, study abroad, and sports. But the list could go on. Adventure guides work non-traditional hours and can be seasonal or year-round positions. Tour adventure guides may work for tour companies and take groups out to areas where they can see sights without the traditional bus or walking tour. Hiking and backpacking adventure guides may take groups up a mountain to see waterfalls, down into canyons and caverns, and to a variety of other places only accessible by foot. What is the difference between an adventure guide and a tour guide? So it's not much important, so we'll skip that paragraph. What are characteristics of successful adventure guides? Adventure guides are thrill seekers just like the folks they take out on excursions. They love working with people and teaching them new things about an area or a type of adventure. It is essential that adventure guides be able to handle stress well and have advanced problem solving skills in case of an emergency. Generally, adventure guides also enjoy being outdoors and have experience doing the kinds of activities they guide, whether that's hiking, biking, kayaking, whitewater rafting, or even skydiving. It is important to remain calm and be a creative thinker to complete the responsibility associated with this role. So that was the article about Adventure Guide. Now we will move forward to the Fiverr official website and we'll check out some gigs. Not some gigs. We'll check out one gig related to Adventure Guide. So let's go and check it out. So as you can see, I am scrolling down. There are no competition at all. There are literally no competition at all of a tourist guide. So you can be a one and earn handsome amount of revenue through it. So as you can see, I clicked on this gig to know about his charges and anything more, but like he has no orders till yet, but we'll check out uh, the title to get an idea about how to make a gig related to uh, adventure guide. So here is the title: I will expert tourist guide, explore locally and virtually for unforgettable adventures. He's charging 30,308 in basic, and there are no other, but the all the gigs have maybe no orders till yet. So demand is also a little bit low, but if you get your uh, like if you get your 100% on it, then surely you will earn handsome amount of revenue through this. Uh, you can stay through this job or online job. So that was the video about adventure guide. So that's it for today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.